box. Draw it. 4 boxes. Draw it. Don't draw it. Draw it. First, K, write down. Fill it in box. Write down K, L, write K, L, M, N. Write down, don't talk. K, L, M. మీకు ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పినా మీకు కాలేదు. N, what is N? In the K place, what is there? K place, what is there? 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 in that way it will increases. And next N after, what is that? What is that N after? L. L is equal to how many? How here? Those are the natural numbers. Next whole numbers. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Next ML. Next to ML. You will have to write. Next to ML. What is that? Next to ML. ML write down. ML, what is that? Here ML, what is that? If K is 0 means ML also 0. That is the sphere group. 0. Here 0 there. What is that for 1? Minus. Tell me. Minus 1, 0, 1. 2 for 2. For 2. Minus 2. Minus 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2. Next to 3. Tell me, these are the orbitals. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Here how many? For a sphere, for sphere 1 black. For sphere 1 black. For dumbbell 3 blacks. P. This is D. D how many? 5 blacks. 5 blacks. And here N is equal to how many? N is equal to 7 blacks. N is equal to F, that is F 7 blacks. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 5. Minus 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 5 blacks. Here this. Next year down right MS. MS right. MS for sphere 1 black. This is sphere 1 black. There are P. P of P how many? 3 blacks. Write down for P 3 blacks. For P 3 blacks write down. For P 3 important. Tarata D. D how many? 5 blacks write down. 5 blacks. 5 blacks are 5 orbitals. Write down. Then F. Then F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next final one is F black. F black. F black means 7. F black is equal to 7. F by C. F black is equal to 7. 7 F black is equal to 7. Write down. F black is equal to 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is F black. This is F black. Here observe that. This is sphere. One upward, one downward. This is. Then P upward. This is going to shoot. Downward. Then here also upward, down. Downward. Here also upward. This is Hund's rule. Upward. Then upward. This is downward. Then if you write down the quantum numbers, if the N is 4, write down the quantum numbers. If the N is 4, write down. Answer write down. If N is equal to 4.